Let's welcome every nation with love and pride. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Welcome to Morocco. Bienvenue Morocco. أهلا وسهلا في المغرب. كاربوا Morocco.
Hello beautiful people, I am Riad Thomas and welcome back to my channel. Our unforgettable Moroccan road trip is slowly coming to an end. We have wandered through the golden Sahara Desert, stood beneath the towering Atlas Mountains and immersed ourselves in the vibrant energy of Morocco's ancient cities. But there is one final destination waiting for us, a place where the Atlantic Ocean crashes against centuries-old fortress walls, where blue fishing boats fill the harbor, where artists, musicians, and surfers have found inspiration for generations. Welcome to Essaouira, Morocco's charming coastal gem, famously known as the Windy City of Africa. As soon as we started seeing the blue taxis and white buildings with the bright blue doors and windows, we knew we had arrived in Essaouira. For our stay in Essaouira, we chose Riad Mimouna, located inside the heart of the old Medina. Since cars are not allowed inside the Medina, we parked outside the city walls. The Riyadh had already sent a helper who loaded our luggage onto a handcart and guided us through the narrow alleyways. Walking through the charming old Medina before even reaching our Riyadh made the arrival feel like part of the experience. We were welcomed by the friendly staff at Riad Mimouna. As soon as we opened our room door, we could hear the waves of the Atlantic Ocean. The room had a beautiful old-world Moroccan charm with a small bathroom and a little sea view window. Seagulls flying around made the coastal feeling even more magical. After exploring the room, we went to the rooftop and wow, the ocean views were incredible from every corner. With a cool breeze, Moroccan mint tea and a peaceful sunset, this was truly a relaxing Essaouira moment. After watching the magical sunset and relaxing in our room, we headed out for dinner at the vibrant KSOU Restaurant. The evening was filled with delicious Moroccan flavors, lively entertainment, and beautiful dinner show. It was a perfect way to experience the culture and energy of Essaouira after a peaceful day by the ocean. To reach the restaurant, we walked through the charming streets of Essaoura's old Medina, taking in the beautiful atmosphere around us. Unlike some of the busier Medinas in Morocco, Essaoura's Medina felt calm, peaceful, and easy to explore. The relaxed vibe, the sound of the ocean nearby, sound of the seagulls, and the historic streets made our night walk feel magical. We arrived at the restaurant and the atmosphere started even before we stepped inside. The beautiful entrance and the lively energy immediately gave us a special vibe. my god, what a wonderful night! The music, fire dance, vibe, ambience, and the food made it such a memorable experience. I enjoyed the seafood dinner with the fresh oysters, lobster, and more, while my partner chose the steak dinner. A perfect night in Essaouira filled with the great flavors and unforgettable moments. We went back to our Riyadh and fell asleep with happy hearts after such a beautiful night. The next morning, we enjoyed the breakfast with a breathtaking sunrise and stunning ocean views. After breakfast, we spent some quiet time relaxing on the rooftop, soaking in the beauty around us. It was truly a magical morning. If you know me, you know I can never get tired of the different colors the sky paint for us, the sound of the ocean waves, and the sight of the seagulls flying above. It was simply perfect. Next, we headed for our planned photo shoot with the Cheval Essaouira horseback riding. It was a dream of mine to capture a photo with a rearing horse, even though it was my very first time riding one. Maybe I was asking for too much. A rearing horse is a powerful moment that requires trust and skill. But sometimes the best memories come from stepping outside our comfort zone. So let's see how it goes. We reached the stables and met the Cheval Essaouira team. After our Icelandic horse adventure, this was our next horse encounter and my very first horse ride. They gave us instructions on how to turn, move forward, and control the horse. For the beach photo shoot, we met Sultan, a beautiful horse specially trained for photography, while their other horses are used for regular riding experience. After riding for some time, we finally got the hang of it. Along the way, we saw other horse riders, ATV adventurers, and camel riders heading towards the beach. The journey itself was an adventure, riding through the lush greenery, sparkling waterfalls, and beautiful sand dunes before reaching the stunning Essaouira beach. Now it was time to switch the horses and the real show began. They told me to hold on tight because I could fall, and that definitely wouldn't be fun. We tried several rearing shots to capture that perfect photo and video moment. I'm not going to lie, it was not easy at all, but I was determined to make this dream come true. And guess what? I did it! The team was surprised by my determination, especially since it was my very first time on a horse. After those shots, we captured a few more photos with the two other horses, and it was so much fun and unforgettable experience. After that fun adventure, we headed back to the old Medina to explore more of Essaouira. We wandered through the lively fish market, discovered local shops, and enjoyed the charming atmosphere of this coastal city. At the fish market, you can buy fresh seafood and have the nearby restaurants cook it for you. Such a unique Essaouira experience. But we weren't in the mood for seafood that day, so we stopped at a Chinese restaurant we spotted while walking through the Medina for lunch. After exploring more of the old city, we went back to the Riyadh to relax and get ready for our sunset horseback ride with the same team. We came back to Cheval Essaouira's stables for our sunset horseback ride at the beach. Since we already had our first riding experience in the morning, it was much easier to control and enjoy the ride. We joined a group and the team did a great job pairing riders based on their experience level. So beginners felt comfortable while experienced riders could enjoy their pace. We rode along the beach, enjoyed the beautiful sunset views, and spent some peaceful time by the ocean before heading back to our Riyadh. Riding a horse along Essaouira beach during golden hour felt like something straight out of a movie. The sky was glowing with warm shades of gold, the ocean stretched endlessly beside us, and the cool sea breeze made the whole experience even more magical. Just when I thought it couldn't get any better, our guide led my horse right into the waves. Suddenly, my horse and I were splashing through the water, and for a second, it honestly felt like we were floating. I was laughing, trying to stay balanced, and soaking in every moment. From being nervous on my very first horse ride to riding through the Atlantic Ocean at sunset, what an unforgettable adventure! After the horse ride, we spent a little more time at the beach near our parking lot, enjoying the sound of the waves and the last light of the day. Then we wandered through the charming Medina, picked up a glass of fresh pomegranate juice, and couldn't resist stopping for delicious crêpes topped with the pistachio and Nutella. The perfect sweet ending to our last night in the beautiful coastal city of Essaouira. With our hearts full of memories, we made our way back to the Riyadh, grateful for an unforgettable time in the beautiful coastal city of Essaouira. The next morning, we packed our bags and checked out from the Riyadh. After one last breakfast in Essaouira, it was time to begin our journey back to Casablanca, the same place where we began this incredible Moroccan adventure. From the desert dunes to the endless mountains, ancient cities, and this beautiful Atlantic coast, our road trip had come full circle. After almost a 5-hour drive, we finally arrived back in Casablanca. We returned to the Marina Shopping Center, a place we had already fallen in love with on our first day. We knew we had to come back here before leaving Morocco. The atmosphere, the ocean views, and the whole vibe were unforgettable. This time we took a beautiful walk along the beachside promenade towards Casablanca's iconic landmark, Hassan II Mosque. Then we stopped at KFC in Marina Shopping Center. You know me, I rarely eat fast food while traveling, but my partner convinced me to try it. Oh my god, I was surprised. Their chicken and rice box are so delicious. I don't usually enjoy KFC back home, but this one was definitely worth trying. After that, we headed to the airport and said goodbye to Morocco, with hearts full of memories, countless photos, and unforgettable videos. Funny enough, our Moroccan journey started with the rain on the first day and ended with rain on our last day. It felt like Morocco was giving us a beautiful farewell. From Casablanca to Frankfurt and then continued our journey back home to Chicago. A big thank you to each one of you for being a part of this beautiful journey with us. I hope you enjoyed experiencing Morocco through my eyes. I will see you all in my next destination and another adventure. Stay safe, take care, and bye for now.
Time to say goodbye. Our day was great, now it's time to go home. It's getting late, we've laughed and played under the sun.